Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change site name on the Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, go on your Squarespace. Once you are in, you have to go on the edit template. And here is the option of site edit site header. You have to click on it. Now you have to go on this site title and logo. Here is the site title and logo. You have to click on it. Now you can edit site title. Once you change the title, you have to click on the done and save the changes. Here is the site title has been changed. So yeah, this is how you can change site name on this Squarespace.